Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to log into Ikano Bank account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. Type in ikanobank.de to go to the official website of Ikano Bank. Now tap on the login option from the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see the various options. Tap on the IKEA credit card and IKEA family credit card option. In the provided field, enter your email address or username. Then type in your password. Finally, tap on the first registration or first login option and log into your Ikano Bank account. And this is how you can log into Ikano Bank account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.